Hi, I'm Joan Ross. Just want to talk to you about the VR experiment I'm collaborating on with Josh Harle at Tactical Space. We started working with the idea of drone birds living in a small birdhouse where they were going to learn how to be real birds. The way they learnt to be real birds was to look at videos of nature, which I did take walking on the beach, being in the bush, where actually I get most of my inspiration. I was really excited when we started to construct this VR work because I felt like it was watching my animations come to life in a really different way. I found it really interesting to be standing on my island and talking to Josh with the headset on and describing, oh no, what we need over there is another one of those. We need more flowers. It was really great to construct a world, but for me that is just the beginning. What I noticed when other people started to engage with the project was that, for example, our flowers started to grow really big, people could touch them, they started to grow, birds will land on your hand. But once things like that start happening, people are looking then all the time for what their next moment for them is. When I make videos, I do want to have control. My work is very heavily conceptual. For me, it's deadly serious. We're talking about colonisation, talking about the degradation of the land, racism, consumerism, and I feel like when that I need to create a balance. I need to really understand what VR can do to take people on a journey. It's about how can I take the work further, how we can keep it serious. I could definitely use those aspects that I mentioned about the VR to, lull people into sleep and then sucker punch them from underneath with the weight. I really enjoyed the experience of working with Josh. I felt like he understood what I was trying to do and explained how we could take things further, and he was great at facilitating any idea that I had and putting it into practice. I think that one of the most valuable parts of this experiment with Josh is that it was experimental and that we just worked every day quite intensely for a number of weeks. Whenever you're working like that too, your ideas start to build on themselves. It actually generates ideas. We were experimenting and we will go on to work more with this and to expand it. I really appreciated the open-endedness of it. In the world that I'm in, so much is about the end result, is about making a product, is about finishing a work. To have something that's really open, is really important to me. It's really important actually for artists generally to have that type of opportunity.